Hey there, guys at Alpha Towing. My name is Donald Cunningham, and I shot this video because I wanted to give you some information about things you can do to increase and improve your online presence. I do this because many times business owners are too busy running their business to explore all the ways that the internet can help them in their business and things that they can do. So I want to help these business owners, giving them information and give them information that they might not have. Now, there are three things that you can do today to bring more customers to your business through your website. So the three things I wanted to talk about is content, citation, and backlinks. These are all three areas that Google uses when it's ranking a website. Okay, the first thing I wanted to go over is content. And content is anything on your home page, including words and pictures. However, when it comes to ranking, it's uh, words, uh, the words, the word content, which can also be some content behind the pictures, but it's the word content that Google uses in ranking. Look at your website here. It looks good. It's very good. I call you. Okay, now it's been found that the number of words on the home page that on sites that rank the highest in Google have between 1,500 and 2,400 words on their home page. I did a scan on the word count on your home page, and you have 853. Okay, now this is your top competitor. They have 1,086 words on their home page, still less than 1,500. But they have more than you have. So if you got your word content above the 1086, then you would be ranking higher than they do. Their website looks good too. But the important thing we're talking about now is the word content. Now, in addition to the word content, you want to have included in that word content keywords, which are words that are going to be used in searches to find you. Okay, now this is a tool that I use called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool, but it essentially what it does, it gives the background details that Google uses in ranking a website. So we're looking here, and I mentioned the keywords. Now it shows that this site they're being found for 17 keywords. And click on here, then we can take a look at these are the exact keywords that they are being found for. Heavy towing Eugene, A&E Towing, which is their name, of course, A&E Towing, A&E Towing. Towing Salem, Oregon, Towing Eugene, Oregon. So these are the top keywords that they are being found for. Okay, now this is your site in Ahrefs. Now you've been found for 11 keywords. See what those are. Alpha Towing and Recovery, Alpha Towing, Towing Eugene, Oregon. So it's not really not they're close but not a match. So if you included the same keywords that your competitor is being found for, this would cause you to rank higher than they do. So the first thing you want to do is you want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage, but then you also want to include keywords that are going to be used in searches to find you, and you're going to be going to include keywords that your competitor is being found for as well. Okay, now the second thing I wanted to go over is citation. The citation is your name, address, and phone number. If we see here now, what we have here is our result of a search. We have our organic listing on this side, and then over on this side, we have our map section. Close this. Okay, this is our map section over here. And what your NAP is, as I said, is your name, address, and phone number, which is also known as a NAP. Now, but the important thing about the NAP is you want your NAP listed in online directories. Online directories such as the Yahoo, Bing, Yelp, BBB, Yellow Pages. These are some of the top directories, but then there's also a couple of other directories that your citation can be listed in. And there's a site called Bright Local, and that's the site I use to I can actually see what directories that their citations listed in, and that way I could match what they have and have you listed in those same directories. But then in addition to that, we want to get you listed in even more directories, causing you to rise above them in relevance. Okay, the third thing I wanted to go over is backlinks. Now, backlink is when one website links back to another website online. What that does is it gives the site being linked to it gives it authority. So the more sites you have linking to your site, it gives you more authority. But on top of that, you want them to be relevant websites that are going to add to the value of your website. So if you want something that's going to be related to your business, it's like giving you a recommendation by them linking back to your site. Okay, now this is your site here in Ahrefs. Shows here you have 78 backlinks. Okay, now let's look at your competitor. Okay, here's your competitor site in Ahrefs. Now they have a little more than you, a few more backlinks than you have. They have 85. And then we can look here. And this will show exactly what sites are linking back to theirs. Sorry about that. My cursor seems to have a mind of its own right there. But okay, so then now this shows me the exact sites that are linking back to their site. And what can be done here is we get the same sites to link back to your site. But on top of that, we can actually get more sites to link back to your site, giving you more authority than your competitor in ranking. Okay, well, that's it in a nutshell. Again, we went over content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on your home page, but included in the content, you want to have keywords that um, are going to be used in searches to find you. And you also want to include the keywords that your top competitor is using. Okay, and the second thing we went over is citations. You want to have your citation listed in more directories than your competitor, and that gives you more relevance, moving you up in the map section. And then the third thing we talked about was backlinks. You want to have more backlinks linking back to your site than your competitor. And again, this gives you more authority um, in a Google ranking. So all of these things together are going to help push your site up above your competitor. So I hope this information has been something that you can use. I hope you like what I showed you. Um, so if you have any questions or more questions about what to do, you can give me a call, or if you or you can take this information and just use it on your own. Or if you would like me to do it for you, if you could like a more effective route and quicker route, you can give me a call. My number is 714-473-0269. Again, this is Donald Cunningham, and my number is 714-473-0269. And thank you for watching the video, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day and happy holidays.